Did you know that when you gasp, your body is actually trying to reset its breathing rhythm? This quirky reflex is triggered when your brain senses a sudden drop in oxygen levels, often caused by surprise or shock. It's like your body's way of hitting the refresh button, ensuring you get a quick oxygen boost. This automatic response is not just a human trait. Many animals, including fish, exhibit similar gasping behaviors. Next time you gasp, remember it's your body's clever way of keeping you alive and kicking.